You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting Italian word. The spelling is very confusing, isn't it? J-I-O-I-E-L-L-E, etc. I mean, what is this? Well, just replace at the beginning the G-I with a J. That makes it a bit more palatable. Gioielleria. Gioie. So replace the G-I with a J. So that's Gioie, Gioie, Gioielleria. Because you have a double L, make the L quite long. Gioielleria, meaning jewelry. So that's like jewelry, the shop, right? Also jewelry in general. Gioielleria is the meaning. Gioielleria, how to say jewelry in Italian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.